Now we have entered in the part 2. We have already informed you all. We have to replace the required values in the equation. We have replaced here minimum consumption of rupees 1000 in the place of A plus MPC 0.80, that is 0.80 into Y will remain same, Y minus T stands for taxes. Tax is also given here 10 crores. Therefore, we have replaced here 10. Then close the bracket plus I stands for investment. I stands for investment, that is rupees 100 crores. Therefore, we have replaced here rupees 100, and in the place of G, government expenditure, that is 50 crores. Now, we have to calculate this equation. Now, 1000 is given here, 1000 plus, now open this bracket by multiplying by 0.80. So then multiply Y by 0.80, it will be, the product will be 0.80 Y minus multiply 10 by 0.80, it would be 8.00, 8.00. It means simply 8 only. Then plus, now get the summation of 150, it will be 150. Now again, y is equal to, that is given here 0.80y. You can easily transfer 0.80y in the left hand side from right hand side, or here also, or later on. But now suppose that we are going to add only here, then after we can easily transfer 0.80y in the left hand side. Now get the summation here, 1000 plus 150. It will be 1150 minus 8 plus 0.80y. Now you can easily replace, you can easily transfer 0.80y in left hand side. Transfer 0.80y in left hand side, then it will be y minus, because here is positive, and when we shall transfer it in left hand side, it would be negative. Therefore, we have written here y minus 0.80y is equal to, in the right hand side, we have to subtract 8 from 1150. The remainder will be 1142. So now what is the remainder? The remainder is 1142. Now subtract 0.80y from y. Now you should be cautious in this regard. If the y, simply y is given, so then you should consider the 1 is hidden before y. Y would be considered as 1y. Right here. So now 1y, it is hidden here, 1. So now you can easily subtract. From 1. It means 0.80 would be subtracted from 1. So then here 1 minus 0.80. The remainder will be 0.20y, because we have subtracted 0.80 from 1. So here 1 minus 0.80. The remainder will be 0.20. Therefore, we have written here 0.20y is equal to 1142. Now y will be equal to 1142 divided by 0.20. Then calculate. The question will be you can easily estimate here. You can easily calculate. The question will be equal to 5710. 5,000 here, y is equal to 5,710 crores. Here, what is the answer? What is the equilibrium level of national income? Now we have estimated, we have calculated the equilibrium level of national income is 5,000 rupees, 5,710 crores. It is the equilibrium level of national income. Now we have completed, we have solved this question. The equilibrium level of national income has been calculated here. Now final result is equilibrium level of national income is 5,710 crores. Now we have calculated the equilibrium level of national income in the closed economy, but equilibrium level of national income in the open economy would be calculated later in the next lecture. So it is sufficient for today. Thanks you all.